Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this super glam, fall glam situation, and I did it with the COLORINA 24 color eyeshadow palette, the COLORINA Pro Color line. I got this eyeshadow palette some time ago and I didn't try it out right away. I just left it there. But like, it's finally the time that I did a makeup look with it, and I'm super impressed with the pigments and how beautifully the eyeshadows blended. And these are the colors right here, the colors that I used. I'm going to be telling you guys each and every one of them en el transcurso del video, and I'm completely in love with it. I really like, I use most mattes because, like, obviously the glitter ones or the shimmer ones are like always like the best for most eyeshadow palettes, but the mattes are always the problem. And in this case, the mattes that I used are really good, so I'm really impressed with this eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to see how I did this super smoky fall glam, please keep watching. finished look. I hope you all like this video, and I hope you all have a great day today and the rest of the days and the weeks and the months and this year. This year is almost ending. I'm super excited. I'm done with 2018. I don't know, it just have been like 2018 has been like too much, and I'm ready for a new year. I don't know if you are. I'm definitely going to be doing some Halloween looks. I've been planning on those, and I'm going to be doing some more fall looks like this one. I really enjoyed the palette, as I say in the beginning of the video. They blended beautifully, as you guys saw in this video. So yeah, be sure to check out their website and their Instagram. I'm going to be linking both of those things down below, and I'm going to be linking my Instagram as well, so you guys go and follow me and see pictures of this and my previous videos, my previous looks. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to be ending this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.